welcome back, and today I'm doing some bird training in my hallway with Astrid, my beautiful female mom. That is, she is taking care of Hiccup, our little baby boy. We are training today to fly. His wings are growing in, and they're grown, but my dad decided to snip them. But we are getting him the hang of flying, and his lovely mother here will be teaching him, will be going where he goes to make sure he is safe. So, Gobi. So Aubrey goes down the hallway. I stand right here.
That hole in there?
That's not a hole, Aubrey.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see. Oh, that's just a little scratch.
Oh, okay. I guess that was
They get scratches all the time.
Yeah, they do.
So you guys will be standing or sitting over to the side. And I got to go put my dog. Come here, baby.
Put her in your room, okay, Ava?
So she's gonna go in my room. And I have a reptile, a room tour to do because I got something new.
Yep, just wait.
And Bella, my new dog, is new, of course. So I'm gonna stand here and you guys will get the side view. Okay, you go down to your side.
And Ava, for you to get a special pet tomorrow.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We got something very special on Christmas, and that's what she's done. Okay, babe?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, and she won't be actually throwing them. She'll have them on her finger and just do that. And Hiccup will go, and Astrid will follow. Okay, babe?
Go! Hiccup!
And now Astrid is being a little, a little crazy. No, she's not on the fan, Aubrey. She is a fan, though. Aubrey, get Hiccup and wait for me at the camera. Where's Hiccup? On the ground? Okay. No, on the camera.
Oh. He wants to be in camera for now.
Big, go down to your spot, and I'll meet you down to your spot.
Okay!
Don't yell.
I know. Hee. Your mama's okay. Okay. Scooby-doo-doo. Is she grading her food? It's okay, little Ash. It's okay to be late. Pop. See you ready? Pop. No one there. Go. Go, perfect. Are you staying? Good girl. Oh, guys, you can see Hiccup. It's all the way over there. On there. Hiccup, guess what Hiccup is on?
The camera.
No, he's on the little handle.
Okay.
All the way over there.
Okay, sorry about that. She likes to fly around places, and I have to stay extremely still for her to land. Make sure Hiccup lands on my hands, okay? Go. He likes to go to his friend.
Yeah.
If you guys can't see the bird, I'm so very sorry. I'll try to put a little circle in them. Go. And of course, it's a false flight, so it happens. Go. Now Hiccup landed on my hand, then yeah, he glided.
He's on the fan.
Now Miss Astrid likes to go there. Abby, stop yelling. You gotta say here.
Here's your friend.
Abby, that's so yelling. Okay, let's go.
Put it on my head. Put it on my head. I want it on my head.
No, you gotta hold them.
Please put it on my head, okay?
No, you don't throw them, you glide them.
Okay.
She gets throwing and gliding mix up, so yeah.
Come on, Peter. Oh, I saw. Whoa. Was she
Abby, that's called personal space.
I got her.
At least I caught him.
I got her, Eva.
I gotta go talk to my mom real quick.
Yeah.
No hiccup.
I got it.
Well, at least one landed on my head. Now this beautiful green boy turned out to be my sister's bird, but
She does not know how to play it.
in my mind, he is everybody's bird.
And Ava, if they listen to us, they get a surprise.
Come on, me.
This is where our surprise place is. Boy. She flew off of me. So I'm the girl that gives the toys to birds, okay?
Babe, we gotta go in my room. So today we got we're gonna go put them up.
Kids, okay, Ava?
Aubrey, they're not kids.
I know.
So I can't let y'all see some of the things I have for y'all. But this is their basic setup. It is made for 2 animals. They have a little nest. I bet y'all can't see anything because it's kind of like pitch black here. I need to get better lighting.
Over here.
You know what? Forget it. Let me give y'all the better lighting. So their basic setup, they got a toy, they got their water, they got their calcium
No,
stuff.
These are their toys.
Mhm.
If they be
No.
good. No,
Their
these are their
sound
toys.
toy. She loves her nest. If I go by her nest, she won't let me touch it. She'll watch me touch it, but yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't want you touch it.
And then I gotta fix her calcium. She was just messing with her calcium. I'll fix it later. He likes to stand on the bottom, but what I do is I actually just put him up by the nest. Cause look,
She's
aw.
afraid to eat food.
So yeah, I'm gonna make another video, but you guys can't see this area. Aubrey, did you wash your hands before you ate out of my? Well, I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye bye. But I have another video coming up, so.